And that's why the hadith says, when in Ramadan, someone swears you look back at them and say, Inni sa'im, I am fasting. That's it. I'm fasting, which means don't come and try this with me. At the moment I'm fasting, and even when I'm not fasting, the fact that now I learned how to deal with this type of behavior will make it much easier for me to deal with it even outside of Ramadan. So you look at the benefits of this beautiful month, it's tremendous. We become people who are connected to the right things. Then we have certain things in our lives we know we have to get done for the sake of Allah. Perhaps in my dress code, I need to improve X, Y, Z. I need to make sure I get to this level. Let's be strong. Ramadan is a season where good things begin. Start it now and don't give it up. You know what you need to do. Today, we make a decision and we say, oh Allah, I have not been doing this, like I gave an example of a dress code perhaps, male and female. I've been dressing in this particular way. I'm supposed to be doing this. From today, I'm going to do this and I'm not going to give it up. There we go. And I'm doing it for your sake. I'm going to make my clothing in a way that is modest and acceptable in your eyes. So when I meet you, I know that you will be pleased with me. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knew that this was so simple to do, He would not have kept such a great reward in adopting His instruction. And that's why whenever you find something really difficult to do that you have to do and you do it, you're rewarded more than a person who found it relatively easy because of your situation. Say, for example, you're living in an environment where it is very difficult to do certain things that you need to do. Very difficult to do certain things that you need to do because of the environment, and you do those things against all odds. You would be rewarded more than a person who lives in an environment where that particular thing is very easy to be done. Because number one, you're rewarded for what you've done. Number two, you're rewarded for the patience that you bore, and you're rewarded for the strength that you developed in order to do the right thing that was not easy against all odds. So there's a double, triple, quadruple reward for you.